Hi everybody, good morning. I'm doing Ottergram SQL injection. So as always, yeah, because it's an SQLization, you try the classic, but there's no error here. So basically, it's dead end. So you can do sign up and do as usual. You just register your username and password. Now, where exactly the SQL injection? Of course, you find the user, you click there, so you have the endpoint already, the profile endpoint. That's the first one we saw. We did login, post. What exactly we get in here? The post. This is the API for the user edit resend, the lova. So response is that. So let's see what can we do with this. So if I do that SQL things, it is user not found. If I do and 1 equal 1, it returned the user number 1, which is auto-love. I do 8 2, 8 user not found, but 1 equal 1, interesting, sorry, 1 equal 1, it returned the user. So these I changed these an SQL injection here. So you can think about it. Okay, you do not order by you start by 1, looking for when the error starts. You do 2, you send, still no error. Number 3, colon 3, colon 4, no error yet. And we have 5, not yet. And we have 6, not yet. And I have 7, and I think 8 is the error. Now use on the phone. So we have 8, we have 7. When you have 7, then you switch to union select. Of course, with union select, you be smart about it. You don't want to reflect that one, so you put something that doesn't exist. And if you do something it don't exist, you can see the reflection here. It reflects the numbers. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 is reflecting here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So now we can play. For example, you can say SQLite version, for example, and user not found. Why is it no, not SQL version like that. And you can see it's 3442. So we have an SQL injection now. So union select SQL version. So you can go to getting the table name. So union select, we do the name, and of course from SQL Lite master, that's where we get our table from, and we look for where type equal table. Of course here we only doesn't show me all of them, it's only one. So what we can do, we do that that finicky group concat, and we concat, so we can put them together in one line, because here it only show me one. And now we got all of them. So we have the user, the SQLite sequence, the post, like, and comment. So most interesting is the user table. So if I do the user table, I can do a union select, and the one that responsible for that is the SQL from SQL master word type, and the name equal users. So we concentrating in table users. So if you do, you can see now the structure of the table user. Um, uh, So we're more interested with the username, of course, the password, so we can keep the two value together. So we can do select SQL. Now we can jump straight to what we're looking for. We're not looking for SQL, we're looking for username. For example, if I want a username from table user directly now, but of course we get only one, for example admin. So let's be smart about this. So what we can do a group that we did before, concat, group concat, and then we can play with the other trick, same things as concat, and we concat the username. We want the username interesting and the password, so we can do space and a delimiter from that, and we can use our password. How many bracket we have? One for the concat and one for the group concat. So if everything works fine, we should get our users, and you can see our users. We have a lova, we have the password which is encrypted, and then where is our admin? This is me. Where's the flag? Hmm. Yeah, that's the flag. But why I didn't see it here? I'm blind. Ah, that's the admin. So we have admin, yeah, so we group them, concat username, password. So admin password, that's for the first. Yeah, so you get the whole things, and of course you get for your flag for today is that one. Yeah, it's the same scenario of SQL Injection for most of these bug for SQL injection. They all the same format. So yeah, thank you everybody and have a good day.